Good morning, Teddy. How are you today?
Good morning, Ellie. I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. I woke up early today, so I feel fresh.
That's nice. What time did you wake up?
Around 6:30. I like waking up early. What about you?
Oh, I woke up at 7. I usually sleep a bit longer.
Ha! You like your sleep. So, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
I usually brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I drink a glass of water.
That's a healthy habit. I also drink water first thing in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, always. Breakfast is very important to me.
What do you usually eat?
Sometimes I eat bread with eggs or fruit and yogurt.
Sounds good. I usually eat cereal with milk.
That's quick and easy. Do you make coffee too?
Yes, I always drink coffee. I can't start my day without it.
Me too. Coffee gives me energy in the morning.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock. I usually leave home at 8:30.
Do you walk to work or take the bus?
I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes.
That's not bad. I ride my bike to work.
Oh, that's cool. You must get good exercise every morning.
Yes, it's a good way to wake up my body and mind.
Do you listen to music while biking?
Sometimes, yes, but only when it's safe.
I understand. Safety first.
Right. So, Allie, what do you do before leaving home?
I check my bag, pack my lunch, and make sure everything is turned off.
Good idea. I sometimes forget my lunch at home.
I used to do that too.
So, your mornings sound very organized.
Thanks. I try my best. How about you?
I'm getting better. I like slow mornings, but I'm trying to be more active.
That's great, Teddy. Small steps make big changes.
You're right, Ellie. A positive start makes a good day.
So, Teddy, what do you usually do at work?
I work in an office. I check emails, make reports, and attend meetings.
That sounds busy.
Yes, sometimes, but I like working with my team.
That's nice. Do you work full-time?
Yes, from 9 to 5, Monday to Friday.
Same here. I also work full-time.
What do you do, Ellie?
I work as a graphic designer. I create designs for websites and ads.
Wow, that sounds creative.
It is. I love playing with colors and ideas. What about you?
I'm an office manager, so I organize things and help my coworkers.
That's important. You must be very organized.
I try to be. So, what's your typical day at work like?
I start by checking messages, then I work on projects. Sometimes I join meetings.
Do you work with a team?
Yes, I work with 3 other designers. We share ideas and help each other.
That's great. Collaboration makes work more fun.
Yes. Do you take breaks during the day?
Of course, I usually take a short coffee break around 10.
Me too. And I like to stretch or walk a little.
Good idea. Sitting too long isn't healthy.
Exactly. What do you do for lunch?
I usually bring lunch from home. How about you?
Sometimes I bring food. Sometimes I eat out with coworkers.
That's nice. Do you like your job?
Yeah, I do. It's creative and fun. What about you?
I like it too, but sometimes it's stressful.
That's normal. We all have busy days.
True. What time do you finish work?
Around 5:30. Then I go home and rest.
Same here. I like to relax after a long day.
Do you do anything special after work?
Sometimes I go for a walk or meet friends.
That's nice. I sometimes cook dinner or watch TV.
What shows do you like?
I like cooking shows and travel videos.
Oh, I love travel videos too. They make me want to explore new places.
Same! Maybe one day we can plan a trip together.
That would be awesome. So, Ellie, what's your evening routine like?
I usually get home around 6. First, I take a shower and change clothes.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, after that, I prepare dinner.
Do you cook every night?
Almost every night. I enjoy cooking simple meals.
What's your favorite dinner?
Maybe pasta or grilled chicken with vegetables?
Yum. I like pasta too.
What about you? Do you cook or order food?
I usually cook on weekdays and order food on weekends.
That's a good balance. After dinner, what do you do?
I sometimes watch a movie or read a book.
Nice. I like reading before bed too.
What kind of books do you read?
I read self improvement and travel books.
Cool. I prefer detective stories.
Oh, exciting. Do you go to bed late?
Not really. I try to sleep before 11.
That's healthy. I go to bed around 10:30.
Good schedule. Sleep is very important.
Yes, a good night's sleep helps me stay positive.
Do you check your phone before bed?
I try not to. I put it away and listen to soft music.
That's smart. I should do that too.
Try it tonight. It helps you sleep faster.
I will. So, Ellie, how was your day today?
It was busy but good. I learned new things and talked with friends.
Sounds nice. My day was good too. Productive and calm.
That's great. Talking about our day makes me feel relaxed.
Me too. It's a nice way to end the day.
Yes. Let's chat again tomorrow.
Sure, Ellie. Have a good night.
Good night, Teddy. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams, Ellie.
Hey, Teddy. It's almost the weekend. Do you have any plans?
Hi, Ellie. Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. I plan to visit my parents.
That's nice. Do they live far away?
Not really. They live about an hour away from the city.
That's not too bad. How often do you visit them?
Maybe once or twice a month. I like spending time with them.
That's so sweet. What do you usually do when you visit?
We talk, cook together, and sometimes watch old movies.
Sounds cozy. Family time is the best. What about you, Ellie? What's your plan for the weekend? I think I'll have a quiet weekend. Maybe clean my apartment and do laundry.
Oh, the weekend chores.
Yes, but I also plan to relax. Maybe watch a new show on Netflix?
That's nice. What kind of shows do you like?
I like romantic comedies or travel documentaries.
Oh, I enjoy travel shows too. They make me want to go somewhere new.
Same! Maybe I'll go for a short trip next weekend.
That's a great idea. Do you like beaches or mountains?
I love beaches. The sound of the waves makes me feel calm.
Me too. I like sitting by the sea and watching the sunset.
Oh, that's so peaceful. Do you travel often?
Not really, but I try to take short trips when I have time.
That's good for your mind and health.
Yes. What do you usually do on Saturdays?
On Saturdays, I wake up late, then go to the market or cafe.
Do you go alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with my friend Anna. We love brunch.
Brunch is always a good idea.
What about you? How do you spend your Saturday morning?
I usually go jogging in the park, then buy coffee on the way home.
That's healthy. I wish I could be that active.
You can join me next time.
Maybe. Sunday is my lazy day, though.
Same here. I like to stay home, read, and rest.
Do you prepare for Monday on Sunday night?
Yes, I clean my desk and plan my week. It helps me stay organized.
That's a great habit. I should start doing that too.
You'll feel more ready for the new week.
Thanks for the tip, Teddy.
You're welcome. Let's both have a relaxing weekend.
Yes, enjoy time with your family.
And you enjoy your peaceful weekend at home.
Deal. Let's talk again on Monday.
Sure thing. Have fun, Ellie.
You too, Teddy.
Hi, Ellie. How was your weekend?
Hi, Teddy. It was nice and calm. I cleaned, cooked, and watched movies.
That sounds perfect. I visited my parents and we had a big lunch together.
That's so sweet. Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I did. I'll show you later.
Great. So, are you feeling ready for the new week?
Yes, I feel fresh and positive. I want to start the week with good habits.
Me too. Speaking of habits, do you have any healthy routines?
I try to exercise 3 times a week, mostly jogging or cycling.
That's great. I've been trying to stretch and drink more water every day.
That's important. Small, healthy steps make a big difference.
Exactly. I also want to eat more vegetables.
Same here. I often eat too much fast food when I'm busy.
Haha, same. But I'm learning to cook healthier meals.
That's nice. What's your favorite healthy dish?
Maybe salad with chicken or grilled fish?
Sounds delicious. I like vegetable soup and rice with eggs.
Simple and healthy. Do you sleep well every night?
Most of the time. I try to go to bed early.
That's good. Sleep helps our brain and energy.
True. What do you do to relax after a stressful day?
I usually listen to music or take a short walk.
Nice. I sometimes meditate for 10 minutes.
Oh, really? I've never tried meditation.
It's easy. You just sit quietly, breathe slowly, and clear your mind.
That sounds peaceful. I'll try it tonight.
You should. It helps me sleep better, too.
Thanks for the idea. Do you think about your goals often?
Yes. Every Sunday night, I write down my goals for the week.
Wow, that's inspiring.
It keeps me focused. Do you do something similar?
I sometimes write a to-do list, but not every week.
That's a good start.
Thanks. I also remind myself to be grateful for small things.
That's beautiful, Ellie. Gratitude makes us happy.
Yes, even simple moments can make a good day.
I agree. Talking about this makes me feel motivated.
Me too. Let's both keep our good habits this week.
Deal. Exercise, eat well, and sleep early.
Exactly. And don't forget to relax, too.
I won't. Thank you, Ellie.
Thank you, Teddy. Talking with you always gives me good energy.
Same here. Let's talk again soon and share our progress.
Yes. Have a great evening.
You too, Ellie. Stay happy and healthy.
Thanks, Teddy. Bye for now.
Bye, Ellie.